DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? I don't know what time it is. I don't know. So the Dan is back in the lab. You see me? I see what we are dealing with today, man. We're back with Don, other Dan, Mr. Duns himself again. The one named Ballandor. You see me? I'm going to see where dog deal with it. Look like dog go French, pan them, or Italian. Which one? You see me? That way go football, Ballandor. I'm going to see where dog I deal with today. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know Jamal always have some sick style, some sick melodies, some sick. Man just full of style. You see me? I say? For real. No, the dog just raw and edgy like that. You see me? I say? No joke. So I check out Jamal and see what dog I deal with today, gang. But before jumping at that, you see me? I say, gang, I hope you take the time out today, you know, stay prayed up and give God thanks for another day and a chance. And I hope you are making use of every day. You see me? I say, I hope you are taking, step towards your goals and dreams, making every day count. You see me? Because one life you have living, gang. So go for everything you want, because you can and will achieve it. You see me? Yeah, man, gang. So there, Also, road to 10K, so hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? 700 away from 7K, 3K away from 10K. Help your boy hit that before January, before my birthday. You see me? Be a great Christmas, birthday, and New Year's present. You see me? But yeah, Jamal, Ballandor. I check it out and see what dog. Yeah, look like dog. Yo, gotta kick some shots in this thing. You see me? I say this have a fire, like dog mix. What's the one? You see me? This have you have some skill pan this guy talk football and him. We don't talk. Jump right now, Chuck. Jamal, Ballandor, let's get it, gang.
Yes, the package has landed. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Duns.
You know one Duns, man. Yo, cash code.
One Duns, man, man. Come in on.
39. True believer.
39. Come in on, man.
Not a new believer.
You know it Duns, them never shot stop.
Duns, they never short staff. Come in.
Go for the bag, me never fumble. Dark, I'm in humble.
Yes.
Did I feel bunny line I want to run to?
Come in, man. Talk, come in.
Black eye class, look what the Duns do. From black eye class.
Back at the class, yo, me like it build up. Come in.
Leap on the lane, girl in the front too. Put a 3-story house in the jungle.
Leap on the lane, girl in the front to talk to the man. Come in, Hey, I want Come in, man. Drag that to start.
Yes, the package has landed. Thank you very much.
From the top.
I appreciate it. Duns.
You know one Duns, man. Yo, cash code.
One Duns.
40 words got 39. 39.
No say 40 words got 39 good for real. Come in.
True believer.
Not a fake believer. Come in,
Not a new believer.
You know it Duns, them never shot stop.
Go for the bag, me never fumble.
Never.
Dark, I'm in humble. Did I feel bunny line I want to run to? From black
No one to run to. Come in, man.
eye class, look what the Duns do. From black eye class.
Okay, class.
Jail leap on the lane, girl in the front too.
Talk
Put a
truth.
3-story house in the jungle. Tell the squad you no feel me have your uncle.
Jaja, come in.
Big bumbo clock giant in my iPhone. Now when me call another y'all tone, me make $1 million fast. On the scheme in a iron shore. Me dog knock on the client door. Me live in high fraud, for me killer them no cap and pose. I can't see me in no Japan club.
Read, brother, read. He man a chop him, man. I think he man take one breath take dog. You listen to the dog and deal with the thing.
In the front too. Put a 3-story house in the jungle. Tell the squad you no feel me have your uncle.
Come your uncle once, cause he love me.
Big bumbo clock giant in my iPhone. Now when me call another y'all tone, me make $1 million fast. On the scheme in a iron short. Me dog knock on the client door. Me live in high fraud, for me killer them no cap and pose. I can't see me.
No cap and pose, brother. Come in.
No Japan clothes, a German cars, the Bandali and a Ballandor.
The
Ballandor.
Bally and a Ballandor. I'm telling you.
Yo, cash code, the bank load. Them call the client, but them not have the passcode. She live in a condo and the bank the crossroad. From the money reach a London and the run I can't joke. The ring loads calling on me insole. Every day me like.
Hold on. I can't just run through them. Man say cash code, the client code, and then have a passcode, brother. I want it. Come in.
Me live in high fraud, for me killer them no cap and pose. I can't see me in no Japan clothes. A German cars, the Bandali and a Ballandor. Ballandor.
The Ballandor man say, yo. Me living at the fraud, you can't see me in a Japan clothes. Me in a German Veeks. I'm telling my youth, the Ballandor, bro. Hey, boy, hey, come in.
Japan pose, you can't see me in no Japan clothes. A German cars, the Bandalian and Ballandor. Ballandor, yo, cash code, the bank load. Them call it client, but them not the passcode. She live in a condo and the bank the crossroad. From the money reach a London, then they run the can joke.
In a condo and the bank the crossroad, brother. You see me front, hey, come in, man. Come in, talk.
Client, but them not the passcode. She live in a condo and the bank the crossroad. From the money reach a London, then they run the can joke. He ring loads calling on me insole. Every day me light a candle hole and money bought soap. We kill goats, sacrifice to big notes. I 30 mil for the German import. Happy no dog, don't stem no cappy no dog. You see we can think of a ring pass. Designer for days, big
man full of style, brother. Come in, man. Come in. When I listen to a tune, we are listening to, brother. Come in. YouTube have a blood clean flag the thing because of that a while ago, but come in.
The mill for the German import. Happy no dog, don't stem no cappy no dog. You see we can think of a ring pass. Designer for days, big food where we chop in a yard. Run on them not tap the traffic abroad. We tap in a cat.
Chop in a dog. We not cap in a dog. You see me a pass and think of foreign dog.
Quick a couple Louis Vuitton. Bust down jewelry pa me hand. Jump nine whip pa me gun. Hennessy 50 I never have money gun. No see poverty gun. Make sure the ink
Clean. Hennessy 50 and the Jamaican. Poverty gone, brother. Hello, Hennessy 50 is not healthy. It's not healthy at all, boy. You don't know how your dog a try to come in.
Jump nine whip pa me gun. Hennessy 50 I never have money gun. No see poverty gun. Make sure the ink a 3D. The girl them in the scheme to see me. A GG on the slide to see pre. A pop on the Benz a beat beat. Willie dump on lead sheet dog. Me not sleep a from.
So make sure you say ink a 3D no dog. To your brother.
GG on the slide to see pre. A pop on the Benz a beat beat. Willie dump on lead sheet dog. Me not sleep a from last week. The bang a charge with a yard bleach. Oh some man say them a chop on nobody can see. Pull up on the party and mill up on the car seat. Yo cash code. The bank load, them call it client, but them not the passcode. She live in a condo and the bank the crossroad.
Mama, go on no man for the money drop, run out go do it.
From the money reach a London, then they run a can joke. He ring loads calling on me insole. Every day me light a candle hole and money bought soap. We kill goats, sacrifice to big notes. I 30 mil for the German import. Go for the bag, me never fumble. Dark, me dark, and me
never
know.
humble. Come in, man.
Did I for bang line I want to run to? No, from black eye class, look what it done to. From black eye class, jail leap on the lane, girl in front too. Put a 3-story house in a jungle. Tell the squad you no feel me have your uncle.
Oh, me no squad you where I pray me for man.
Big bumbo clad client in my iPhone. And when me call another dial tone, me make $1 million fast on the scheme in a iron sure. Me dog knock on the client door. Me live in high fraud for me killer them no cap and post. You not see me in a Japan clothes. A German cars, the Mandali and a Ballandor. Ballandor.
Yo, cool watching up.
Jamal, one Mr. Dunce, you know, man. Hey, come
Creative
here.
click shoot the one and hear that. Believe no man.
One Mr. Dunce, you know. Yeah, man. Jamal, bro. The Balland. Hey, I'm to your dog believing in the fraud. We killing them no cap and pose. They not see me in a Japan clothes. Like German cars, brother. The Ballandor, don't play the dog. I say 30 million for the import, brother. You see me? 30 mil, so no play with the man thing. Man thing up, man. Easy, Mr. Dunce himself, man. Ballandor. You see me? Full of vibe, full of style as always. Nothing less than what I expect from Jamal. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, for them run that Jamal style, you know. You see me? That just run on edge like that. You see me? I say? Like, sick, man. Thing up. You see me? I say? So, but, yo, Jamal keep doing your thing. You see me? I say, gang? Yeah, man. You definitely have a place in the dance hall. Definitely have to solidify himself. Jamal hear this, man. Jamal and Skipper burn up the road right now. You see me? I say? Yeah, man, that for them time now. Just keep doing it, keep with the consistency and the level and everything. And you never know where y'all can take you, man. Anyway, gang, till next time, I don't know. Let me know what your favorite part is. If you like your show, that's all I support. Make you know say you are the dance. You know, in the comment section, I need to drop. Let me know your favorite part, beats, lyrics, all that good stuff, visuals. You see me? I say, let's chop it up, man. Let's get a dialogue going. And yeah, drop your request so you can get your shout out. You don't know what time it is, gang. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and eat each other. Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.